Hey, buddy. How's it going, man? Oh, you're curious? You're coming over. You coming over to say hi? Well, come on over. Well, come on over to the fence, guys. Well, here they're both coming over. Hi, how are you? How are you people doing? Huh? Oh, you're beautiful. Hey, what a good guy you are. Huh? Oh, you're cute. What a face on you, eh? Oh, you're coming over too. You're cute? Oh, if they're ever cute, they're cute. Well, hi. I don't have anything for you. I can't feed you. You're not mine. I'm just saying hi. Yeah, you're beautiful people, eh? You're really good-looking people. You're good-looking people. It's coming closer. Well, look at you. Funny looking, like a kind of a camel-looking face. A little bit like a camel. A shorter nose. Hi. How are you? Well, you're good guys, eh? You are good guys. The other guy's eating now, but this little brown one. What a face. What a face, huh? You're looking good? That's a good guy. Yeah, you're beautiful.